Mastering English phrases. Gaining time. Explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, gaining time. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also improve your comprehension of English conversations and literature. Let's get started. Gaining time is a phrase used to describe the action of delaying an event or postponing a decision in order to have more time to think, prepare, or influence the outcome. This phrase is often used in situations where someone needs additional time to handle a challenge or make a better decision. Let's look at some examples to understand how gaining time is used. 1. In negotiations, the manager was gaining time by asking for more details, allowing her team to develop a stronger proposal. 2. In everyday life, I was gaining time by walking slowly to the podium, gathering my thoughts for the speech. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts. Understanding synonyms can broaden your understanding. Some synonyms for gaining time include buying time, stalling, delaying tactics. Each of these has a slightly different connotation but revolves around the same core idea of delaying an action. Here are some tips for using gaining time. Use it when you want to express the need for more time in making decisions or actions. It can be a strategic or practical choice, depending on the context. And that's a wrap on gaining time. Remember, phrases like these can add depth to your English communication. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master the art of using them effectively. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your English learning journey.